It's another fabulous day here at Mike's Car Store. Frank is out here wacky waving, bringing customers in, but I sure hope that he can buy cars at auction because I can't. You guys know that I've been relying on auctions to buy cars, and I've shown you some of those stories in the past. And where I've been showing you some of the negative things, there's actually a way more positive things that's happened from the auction rather than negative things. This is something that I bought at auction. This is a really awesome car, and it's under $16,000 with 17,000 miles. This is something we bought at auction from Car Offer, and yeah, it didn't go too well. We're losing 300 bucks as it sets right now. The Mazda 6, really another awesome little car, 16608. I think we've got this sold, and it came in with a lot of equipment with good mileage. And of course, the Corvette we bought from a previous sold customer at 𝘥𝘠𝘥𝘱𝘴 Chevrolet. They called me and said, hey, do you want to buy this? Frank is doing a really good job of protecting it. And then we have the Honda CR-V here, which is another example of a great purchase that we got from Manheim Auction. So that leads us into some of the bad purchases that you guys have seen. Obviously, the very first vehicle that we bought here was a Ford Explorer. That was a bad purchase. That was Mrs. Chevy Dude's fault. That wasn't really my fault.
That was your fault.
Oh, never mind. I guess it was my fault. My bad. And then we got the rusted out Malibu. That was Mrs. Chevy Dude's fault as well.
No, that was your fault.
No, these can't be all my fault.
Yes, they are.
Oh my! Are you the owner?
Your name's on the bill.
Oh, come on now. All of a sudden, when it's to blame, her owning 51% of the business is not on her. It's on me because my name is on the building.
Exactly.
Well, I think we're going to change this to Andy's Car Store. Yes, there it is. It is now Andy's Car Store, no longer Mike. So everything is going to be your fault. But okay, I'm the blame. I'll just take all the faults because I shared you a couple of videos ago of Car Offer, the online auction that I thought was a really good thing because 𝘥𝘠𝘥𝘱𝘴 Chevrolet uses them. So once I found out that hey, we can buy things here, sell things there, I signed up with them, and we've seen the problems with them. This is one of those cars. We have it listed for $21,627. We're losing about $500 on this vehicle priced the way it is right here. Plus, for every day that it sits here, we accrue interest as well because this is on our floor plan. And then Mrs. Chevy Dude off camera had just mentioned to me that the Sonic was actually a bad purchase.
No,
because of why?
It was a good purchase. You just paid too much.
Oh, I paid too much. Did I buy this on my own, or did you tell me to buy it?
No, this you bought on your own.
Oh, I bought this on my own. Oh, okay. All right. And that leads us to this awesome 2017 Jeep Patriot that I bought here on simulcast in Louisville, Kentucky's Manheim auction. A lot of people have made comments about Manheim, and I like Manheim. I've got good relationship with Manheim, and our Manheim rep here in the Indiana area, his name is Rob, and he watches the channel. So he also told me that every time that I had mentioned his name on the channel and say that he's awesome, that he's going to give me $20. So I don't think his bosses know that, but Rob is awesome. 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 That's $100 right there. Actually, I said that one prior to that too, so it's $120. So Rob, pay up, buddy. But that leads us to this car right here, buying it on simulcast that I screwed something up on this too. Which leads us into the story of this vehicle has actually got me banned from buying cars at auction.
And who banned you?
You did. And why did you ban me from buying cars at auction?
Because I'm the boss.
Oh, geez.
You sat there and were bidding online, didn't even tell me what you're bidding on. Next thing I know, you're on the phone, you're like, oh, I just won a Dodge Journey.
A Dodge Journey. That looks like a Dodge Journey, does it not?
No.
No, it's not a Dodge Journey?
So then I go and look on our Manheim website and look it up, and I'm like, you just bought a Jeep Patriot.
By the way, did I say Rob is awesome enough? Like, where are we up to? 140 bucks? Rob is awesome? There's 160.
A Jeep Patriot, Dodge Journey don't even look alike.
Yeah, they do.
Not to mention that when I looked at the numbers, you paid retail for this car. What the heck? You bid on something without telling me. I didn't even get a chance to look the car over or anything.
And I did buy retail. I said it in a video too that I bought a car and I was like, I think I paid retail for it. And I'm hoping like the subprime market was going to go up and we could charge a little over retail. So I have it now listed for $17,995, which is how much under what I bought it for.
Like $600?
Six or $700. I totally screwed up. And we're just basically just making a video of making fun of myself, and I can't.
No, there's no making fun of you. You suck.
So, but I've got to sell this thing. We've got to sell this thing. I've got to sell this thing right now. If I can sell this, will I get unbanned?
No.
Why?
Absolutely not.
What's it going to take for me to get unbanned?
A million years?
Okay. I need 1 million likes on this video for the algorithm.
Likes. I said years.
No, 1 million likes on this video. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, leave a comment for the YouTube's algorithm.
All you do is cost us
if
money.
I can get 1 million likes, she'll unban me.
No.
Unban me.
No, you cost us
Unban
money.
me.
Now, did you tell everybody that even when we went to pick up this car, you still thought we were getting a Dodge Journey?
I did.
That CRV is a RAV4 half the time. That Rolls Royce back there is a Bentley. Your brain has gone haywire since you opened up your own business.
I'm gonna sell the Jeep today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sell the Jeep today. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna sell the Jeep in this video. So the first thing that I've got to do to sell this Jeep, save my job, is we gotta get Frank involved. Frank can sell cars. I promise you, Frank is gonna sell cars. I'm gonna put Frank right here by the Jeep Patriot, and we're gonna sell this thing today.
Frank was your worst purchase.
I didn't purchase Frank, he was a gift. He's alive! Yes!
Oh, I thought you killed him.
He's got 2 faces.
He's two-faced?
Yeah, he's 2-faced. He's got a face right here. And see, he's got a face on this side. So you can see him from both directions. He can get people coming and going. It's very simple. This is how good of a salesman Frank is, because you suck. So we're gonna let Frank do his job and sell this Jeep Patriot. This is his only job today to make himself worthwhile. As I'm leaving to run an errand, it reminds me that, you know, my bandwidth is stretched extremely thin. And when that happens, my ADD probably kicks in a little bit, my ADHD, and I'm just not as focused on stuff, and that's where these mistakes happen. And that's where we, as a team, my wife and I, are learning our roles here at the dealership. So therefore, from here on out, I'm just gonna let her be in charge of buying cars that are sight unseen. And majority of our cars are sight unseen. And obviously we're having people bring us cars, which we love. We wanna see cars, especially if you're 2017 and a little bit older, back to 2010, 9, that are everyday driving cars that the masses wanna look at. Now I'm gonna look at Corvettes here and there because I do wanna stock Corvettes and I wanna get to be a big Corvette dealer. But now is not the time to house 5, 10, 15 Corvettes. 1 at a time is fine, maybe on a rare occasion 2 at a time, but I'm really just trying to get 1 at a time, which I have right now, a 2007 C6, which is absolutely phenomenal. But the biggest thing to remember is we need to hire an employee. We need to hire more like a personal assistant, so that way they can do some of the things and get stuff off of my plate. Doing stuff with the cars, the inventory, moving them around. They're really dirty right now. We have these birds next to us that crap over everything, so the cars look like crap. So having that stuff cleaned up. I'm running this errand right now, and that'd be something that a personal assistant could do rather than me doing it on my own, and I can focus on things back to the work. So, but also remember that we're extremely picky on everything. So with that being said, you know, we have stuff that we need to do, and we need to do them the proper way and make sure that we get the right cars to keep our reputation where it's at. And what did the computer just ask you about buying a car?
Asked me if I was sure I wanted to bid $2,500.
Now listen, I've bid on a lot of cars. Maybe not always the best bids, but I've never had Mannheim Auction, by the way, Rob is awesome, ask me, are you sure you really want to bid on this car? Maybe you're the one who needs to be banned.
No. Although I am looking at a 2001 vehicle.
For $2,500?
No, it's at $1,500 right now.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted to see.
And you're trying to bid it up, and it's like, are you sure? Oh, geez. You know you're supposed to buy these for the cheapest possible. And wouldn't you believe that? Check it out. It is absolutely gone. Frank did his job. They just left. We're paid in full. Some folks came here from Louisville, Kentucky, and bought the 2017 Jeep Patriot. Frank, you are the man, buddy. Yes. Can we give Frank a big old thumbs up on this video? Because Frank helped me out. So Mrs. Chevy Dude, please let me buy cars at auction now.